Q&A about desiccant cooling systems. What is a desiccant cooling system? A desiccant cooling system is a type of HVAC system that uses a desiccant material to remove moisture from the air, which makes the air feel cooler. Desiccants are materials that have a strong affinity for water, and they can absorb water vapor from the air. How does a desiccant cooling system work? Desiccant cooling systems work by passing the warm, humid air over a desiccant material. The desiccant absorbs the water vapor from the air, leaving the air cooler and drier. The dry air is then passed over a heat exchanger, where it is cooled further. The desiccant is then regenerated, which means that the water vapor is removed from the desiccant so that it can be reused. What are the benefits of desiccant cooling systems? Desiccant cooling systems offer a number of benefits, including energy efficiency. Desiccant cooling systems can be more energy efficient than traditional air conditioning systems, especially in hot and humid climates. Improved indoor air quality. Desiccant cooling systems help to remove moisture from the air, which can improve indoor air quality and reduce the risk of mold and mildew growth. Reduced noise levels. Desiccant cooling systems are typically quieter than traditional air conditioning systems. What are the drawbacks of desiccant cooling systems? Desiccant cooling systems also have some drawbacks, including higher upfront cost. Desiccant cooling systems can be more expensive to install than traditional air conditioning systems. Complexity. Desiccant cooling systems are more complex than traditional air conditioning systems, and they can be more difficult to maintain. Limited cooling capacity. Desiccant cooling systems may not be able to provide enough cooling in very hot and humid climates. What are the different types of desiccant cooling systems? There are two main types of desiccant cooling systems: liquid desiccant systems and solid desiccant systems. Liquid desiccant systems. Liquid desiccant systems use a liquid desiccant solution, such as lithium chloride, to remove moisture from the air. Solid desiccant systems. Solid desiccant systems use a solid desiccant material, such as silica gel, to remove moisture from the air. Which type of desiccant cooling system is best for me? The best type of desiccant cooling system for you will depend on your specific needs and budget. If you are looking for a system that is energy efficient and provides good indoor air quality, then a desiccant cooling system may be a good option for you. However, it is important to keep in mind that desiccant cooling systems can be more expensive to install and maintain than traditional air conditioning systems. Thanks for listening. Check description for much more.